Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open the Settings app and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Next, tap iCloud to open your iCloud preferences and view apps using storage. Find iCloud Drive and flip the toggle to on so files sync automatically across devices. If you need more space, iCloud includes 5 GB free. You can upgrade to 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB. Make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID you want to use for syncing. Open the Files app from your home screen and tap the Browse tab at the bottom to reveal locations. Under Locations, tap iCloud Drive to access synced folders and files stored in the cloud. Browse directory folders or scroll to see recent documents and media organized by app. Use the search bar at the top to find files quickly by name or by file type. Tap any file to preview it, and use the Share button to send or open the file in another app. Manage files by long pressing any item in iCloud Drive to reveal quick actions like download, duplicate, move, and delete. Choose Move to transfer items to on my iPad or another folder, and select Download to save a file for offline use. For large uploads, enable Wi-Fi and ensure adequate battery or charging to avoid interruptions during sync. iCloud automatically optimizes storage by keeping originals in the cloud when
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.